Now,
apologize.
when we first started talking, you said she was your son's baby mama, and I believe she said they were engaged or fiancé or something.
Nah, they ain't.
So couldn't it be that your son doesn't tell you everything?
She got a ring on.
I mean, I thought I heard her say that.
So you got money to buy a ring,
No,
but you ain't got the money for the kids.
Your son bought
But you
me
took
a
the ring. You should have said, no, give my mama the money give your mother the money for the babies.
Is it my turn?
Okay.
No, but you put the ring on so you can flash it.
Mrs. Miller. Mrs. Miller.
Flash it again, girl.
Mrs. Miller, it's a beautiful ring. Now, is there anything
Sure
else
is.
you
Look
want
like
me
it
to
costs a
know?
little money, too.
She takes the ring, but is it love or manipulation? The courtroom stiffens as a mother-in-law questions whether sparkle came before stability. Diamonds over diapers, shine over support. The judge isn't convinced. Neither is the crowd. But when the blame gets personal, everything changes.
And it sounds like that's a conversation you need to have with your son on another day. Is there anything else
There's
you
no
want me
proof
to
that
know?
he paid for that, though.
Is there anything else you want me to know?
No, Your Honor, that's it.
Okay, so I can move over to
Yes,
Miss
Your
Smith
Honor.
then.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Now, Miss Smith, it is your turn. What do you want me to know?
Your Honor, she absolutely has not had my kids consistently for 6 months.
Okay, how long have Miss Miller?
Oh, I'm sorry. I was
Ms.
just making
Miller?
notes on what she was saying. I apologize.
Yes, you can quietly make notes.
I apologize.
Quietly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So her son and I are very much so in love, and he just recently joined the military.
I'm sorry. I should have had some water before I sit down. I apologize.
Miss Smith rises. Before she utters a word, the mother-in-law cries lies. The room rattles. The judge silences the chaos. Then it breaks. Miss Smith's truth. About her love, her life, her soldier. Her hands shake. Her voice cracks. What she reveals shifts the courtroom forever. But it's only the beginning.
He recently joined the military and he's deployed right now. He's probably going to flip out when he finds out what his mom has done by bringing me to child support court. So
he doesn't know that?
No, he doesn't know yet.
Oh.
Well, he doesn't know. I haven't been able to talk to him yet because he's on deployment. So unless she told him, my understanding is he doesn't know. I just got these papers handed to me like maybe 2 weeks ago, a week and a half ago.
To be here?
Yes, and I've emailed him, but I haven't got a response yet. He has limited access right now while he's overseas.
Okay, so it is indeed a fact that you dropped the children off to grandmother 6 months ago.
Her fiancé is deployed, serving his country, unaware that his own mother has dragged his bride-to-be into court. His unreachable. Out there alone. No clue what storm brews at home. The judge leans in. Shock ripples through the crowd. And when his response finally arrives from overseas, everything changes.
The court knows I'm a influencer, and I hate saying that because I'm still growing right now. I'm in the growing stage. And so I do like travel blogs and things like that, which require me to travel.
Subject, question. Which one can I do the question? What she said. What's an influencer? What is?
So what is your legal objection?
The legal objection is that she's lying.
That's not a legal objection. And there will be
falsifying information. Falsifying information. What's an influencer? What's that she says she does?
Okay,
that's false.
All right, that's not a legal objection.
Influencer, she calls herself. The courtroom scoffs. The mother-in-law explodes. That's not a real job. The judge slams down order. But who is this young woman, chasing a future through social media while raising kids? The clash between old and new worlds ignites. Then it turns cruel. Personal. Cutting deep.
I'm going to allow her to finish because then maybe you can hear what an influencer is.
Okay.
All right.
That works.
All right. Continue.
So I don't get paid a lot. Mostly they just kind of cop the expenses and stuff while I'm growing my channel. Before he deployed about 7 months ago. And he did not want me to give up my growing career. I'm starting to get a lot of traction on social media. And so he told me that he talked to his mom and agreed that she would take care of the kids while I have to travel. And I don't travel for like a month at a time. I'm gone maybe 5 days to 7 days, and I'm back 2 or 3, and I get my kids.
7 months. He left for duty. She stayed, clinging to a dream. A dream that cost more than it gave. With only a few hundred followers, she pushed forward. Keep going, he told her. But now she stands alone before the judge, defending fragile plans and fragile trust. Can anyone believe her?
And then if I have to travel again, I leave them with her. You know, I don't have my mom. And so when I got in this relationship, I wanted to have a good relationship with her, and I don't know why she's so mean to me. Like, I have beautiful children with her son, and I'm a good person. And so if she doesn't want to take care of them or help me anymore, I can give up being a influencer
and get a real
keep
job.
My kids.
And excuse me. Influencing. When you say influencing, you're talking about social media, content creator, that kind of stuff?
Yes, and my specific niche is travel video.
All she wanted was family, a partner, a safe home. Instead, she's branded selfish, ungrateful, unfit. Tears press at her voice as she pleads, "I'll give it all up." But will that ever satisfy her mother-in-law? This fight cuts deeper than custody. The heartbreak is only beginning.
And, they're young right now. I hope when they're older, my fiance and I plan to integrate the kids and do like family trips and show how to travel on a budget. Like, we have a plan marked out for it, but his deployment right now, he's going to get out of the military when his term is up this time. He's not re-enlisting.
Okay.
So if she's not willing to help us, like, my fiance said, I'll take them back, but she doesn't talk to me. And I send them with food and groceries when I have to travel. It's not like, not
Rice
to
Krispie
mention,
treats. That ain't
not
no
to
food.
mention my fiance. When he's here, we live together. We're happily together.
She had a vision, a family travel channel, a future. But it's unraveling. Her fiancé is away. Her kids stuck in the middle. And her mother-in-law stands against her. Villain or misunderstood. This isn't just about money. It's about legacy. And someone, somewhere, is lying.
Fiance pays. She's on our phone plan. She, my fiance pays like some of the bills at the house and stuff. So while it's not maybe coming from me directly, it's from our household.
Okay, I
Because
understand.
we're getting married. When he gets permission for leave, we're going to be married. Whether she likes it or not, whether she's there or not, we're going to be married.
Okay. I see what's going on here. It sounds like a lot of miscommunication going on, not only between she and her fiance, well, not necessarily between the two of them. I believe that based on what she just said, they knew what they were doing, but your son is not communicating with you, and the two of you aren't communicating with each other.
He pays the bills. He supports the home. But whose side is he really on? The truth unravels as the wedding nears, approval or not. The judge pieces together a hidden story, resentments, miscommunication, and a bond that may never heal. This is no longer child support. It's all-out family war.
But Your Honor, she says that he was doing the paying part of the bills. He's always paid part of my bills. That was before the children came. So
Okay.
for her to say he's paying the bills for the children, he's not paying those bills for the children. He's always taking care of his mother.
I don't think that's what she meant by that. I don't believe that's what she meant. And
Your
in
Honor,
order
you
for
just don't know Tracy. You just don't. You just
well, it
don't.
sounds like you don't know a whole lot about
You just don't.
their relationship. You didn't even know that this is about to be your daughter-in-law.
Hi, Mom.
Girl, don't say that to me no more.
The mother-in-law erupts. He's always paid my bills. But is that love or control? Gasps fill the courtroom when she snaps. Don't call me mom. The judge pushes back. Tension boils. A wedding looms, but approval is gone. Then, one line from the bench freezes the room in silence.
I had a nice girl picked out for him to live down the street. Keisha was sweet. He went to school with her.
Keisha's
He could have had a
missing a
nice girl and stuff. And then he went and got this girl right here because she did things with him that little Keisha wasn't going to do. But that's neither here nor there. I don't want to slander her. But I do want to say that Miss Influencer should be able to pay for her children that live with me. She brings like Rice Krispie treats and cookies and
That's what
that
my
ain't no
kids like.
food.
She had another choice in mind, Kesha, the sweet girl next door. But he chose her instead. Ambitious, fiery, imperfect. Cookies for the kids and dreams too big. The insults cut sharp. The judge keeps order. But this story? Far from over. Like, comment, subscribe. Because in this courtroom, truth always finds a way.